I just got 4 checks today, and I have probably made about $1,500 this month off of loan signings. So it's there for the tanking, and everything in that course works and 100% worth the money. I'm Shana. I'm from Sandy, Utah, and I started Mark's loan signing course about 5 months ago. I seen an advertisement for it and thought it would be a great part-time job. Me and my husband own a landscape and construction company, and it's not always busy, so I thought this would be a good part-time job to supplement when it wasn't super busy. I work full-time with the construction company and still have time to do this. The course is amazing. I had zero experience, and it taught me everything I needed to know. I have been marketing direct. I'm working with about 4 escrow officers. In fact, I just got 4 checks today from it, and I have probably made about $1,500 this month off of loan signings. So it's there for the tanking, and yeah, you just need to step outside your comfort zone, go out, talk to people. They're actually a lot more willing to talk with you and use you just by going in and meeting them and learning about them. I also followed the course and called every signing service. I started with the loan signing students first, and then all of the other signing services as well. I actually have had a signing service in Arizona call me 3 times direct, not going through platforms. I've done 3 signings for them, and I had one call me from Texas yesterday and did a signing for them. Everything in that course works and 100% worth the money. You won't be sorry. I had zero experience. I knew nothing about the mortgage business, minus buying my house and refinancing my house. That was my extent. And now I have learned all the docs. And yeah, if somebody's wondering if it's worth it and if you can make money on it, you can. It's just like anything else in life. It doesn't come to you. You have to put the work in. But like I said, I work a full-time job and I still do this. And I wish everybody good luck. And I'm going to continue on my adventure. And I hope you guys do too. Thanks.